Uy, nag-struggle ka din ba sa big pores, pimple marks, at textured skin? Meron ng solusyon dyan. Introducing Garnier Tri-Acid Renew is your number one solution to address three common problems. It contains 15% AHA plus BHA plus PHA plus niacinamide that helps exfoliate dead skin cells, resurface skin texture and tone, improve skin barrier, reduce moisture loss, and soothe skin. For instant visible keenness, minimize pores, smoother skin texture, and even skin tone, achieve that healthy keenness with Garnier Tri-Acid Renew Serum.